Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks Online direct bank feeds step by step clearly. To activate QuickBooks Online direct bank feeds, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu. Click on the Accounting option to expand the drop-down menu. From there, select Chart of Accounts. In the Chart of Accounts, look for the New button located in the top right corner. Click on New to open the Account Setup window. In the Account Type drop-down, choose Bank. Next, in the Account Name field, enter a name for your bank account. You can also provide an optional description for better clarity. After that, make sure to check the box labeled Connect Bank. Click on the Save and Close button to finalize the setup of the bank account. Now, return to the Accounting menu and select Banking. In the banking interface, click on the Link Account button. Search for your bank by typing its name in the search bar. Once you find your bank, click on its name to proceed. Log into your bank account using your online banking credentials. Follow any prompts provided by your bank for security verification. Once connected, choose the appropriate bank account to link to your QuickBooks Online. Click Next to proceed to the next steps. You will see a list of your recent transactions from your bank. Review the transactions and select which ones you want to import into QuickBooks. Click on the Add option for each transaction you want to sync. Finally, click on the Finish button to complete the connection process. Your QuickBooks Online is now set up to receive direct bank feeds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.